Hi Libra, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're most welcome as well. So today's reading is going to be the love reading for you, and it will be dated from 15th August till the end of August. Okay, it will be basically for the second half of August. So let us see how you're feeling right now. How's my Libra's energy? Ooh, passionate new beginning. Queen of Cups. Knight of Pentacles. For many of you, I'm getting this sense that, if you are a lady who's watching this, then you are dealing with a younger man. First off, whatever messages come, I'll keep on putting each one of them out there. So I'm sensing like there is a man who's younger than you for all the lady viewers. For gentlemen, you could be dealing with an older lady and there is much passion between you two. It's like a magnetic, fiery attraction that is there between you two, but because you are not dealing with the normal age as expected in the society, it seems like you are questioning whether it is going to work or not. If you are a gentleman, you are asking, will I be able to handle this situationship, relationship, whatever, and take it further. And if you are a lady, you are nervous, whether your man who's younger than you will be able to do it all. If there is no age dynamic as such, then could be that the gentleman is much older and the lady is much younger, but I do see some level of age factor. But no matter what I can see over here is magnetic amount of magnetic natured attraction over here between two individuals who are different nature wise. Okay, one is in the quest of money and the other is in the quest of emotional fulfillment over here. Look at Queen of Cups. All that she needs is emotional fulfillment and she has a lot of love to offer. And over here this gentleman is someone who's like the enthusiast, who's a pursuer, who is looking for that upgrade in his career. Okay, so basically focus is different over here, but attraction is at it is at insane level. Okay, so wow. So many messages. All right, so let's see, how's this person feeling for you? How's this person feeling towards you? Attraction is undeniable. That is like the main tie that is connecting you both. Otherwise, outlook towards life is differing a little bit, is the sense that I'm getting. One is overly focused on work and the other one is focused on emotional fulfillment. And the queen looks, the knight looks quite enthusiastic, very energetic, ready to go out there and explore. But the lady is holding that cup in her hand, but a bit sad, or a bit contemplative, whether it is going to work. This is all that I have to offer. I might be different than this person, but I have a lot of love. Will this person appreciate what I have, or will this person look for something that I don't have, is what you're feeling, Libra. Let's see, how's this person feeling towards my Libra? How's this person feeling towards my Libra? How's this person feeling towards my Libra? Okay, so Seven of Wands and Page of Pentacles, the High Priestess, Two of Pentacles. The storyline that I'm getting over here is, I'm getting like, this is your energy and this is your person's energy. Okay, while you are all determined to take that next step in the relationship, while you are clear in your head what you need to do next, look at the determination in the face, on the face of this person who's working. Okay, you are totally determined. You know exactly where this relationship should go. If the love is genuine, I'm so sorry for that loud sound. That was terrible. Okay, all right. So in your mind, you're like, if we both are equally invested, then this is how the relationship should move ahead. and I don't have any doubt in my mind how I want it to move ahead. So basically, you there is a direction which you want to, take this relationship towards, but then your person is like, I'm still, working, I have so much to handle, I'm still making my pentacles, I'm just a page when it comes to, making those pentacles, and I want to grow into the king of pentacles, for example. Okay, so this person feels like, this person might not have said this to you directly, but then somewhere deep inside their chest, this person has hidden this feeling that, right now I'm not capable enough. This person knows this thing, okay, financially, I mean, not in any other way, but financially this person doesn't feel as confident as he or she should when it comes to, taking the relationship ahead. And every time they think of commitment, they feel like, I have still so much more to do when it comes to making those pentacles, when it comes to, career advancement. And right now I'm not ready for the commitment is what this person feels. But then you know you have things clear in your head, and if things are going to go that way, then you are going to nurture this connection. Otherwise there's no way, you can move it ahead. For it to be only frivolous, for those communications to be so dry, for spending hours, in FaceTime and still not feeling anything for this person is something that is not acceptable for you over here, Libra. Yeah, and that is how this person is viewing you. Okay, so yeah, this person looks at you like someone who's, heading towards commitment. They know that you are not going to settle for anything less, and when they think of you, they feel like, I'm not ready to commit. This is what, Libra wants, and this is not what I can do because of this reason. Okay, and the High Priestess and Two of Pentacles. Yeah, the High Priestess, it seems like you are very much smart in this person's eyes. Okay, this person is magnetically attracted towards you. Your intuition is telling you that, and it is a fact. Okay, this person is very much attracted towards you, and this person wants to be with you. This person wants to be around you, but then, not in a very committal way, Libra. This person feels like, I wish Libra had not been this much intuitive, this much intelligence is what this person is feeling. For this individual, Libra, you are very much intelligent, you are highly intuitive, you know everything, you read this person's mind. You might not even know, you might not have noticed, but there should have been such conversation which should have shook this person from inside. Wow, Libra knows everything. Oh my god, Libra knows everything. How can Libra know everything? Probably some of you have talked to this person very openly. You have said that, I know what is going on. You're keeping me as an option, you're keeping me around, but right now you're not ready for the commitment, and yet you wouldn't tell me, you wouldn't be honest and tell me at my face that, okay, I'm not ready for commitment. If you do that, I'd appreciate that so much. Just tell me that. If you're not ready, tell me that you're not ready and let me go. When I try to go, you stop me. And when I come back, you are not ready for the commitment. For how long this will, go on and on? Why don't you just be honest? Why don't you respect my time and energy? Is your feeling. But then this person, doesn't want to let you go, of course. At times when this person feels like, every time we are together again, things get back to the same, point where, Libra wants commitment and then I'm not quite ready for it. So probably I should let go. But then the other moment, this person starts missing you because of this. They want to let go, but then they cannot let go. Okay. So yeah. I think I'd like to ask about the new love prospect for you before the end of August. I don't know if this is going to work out. But if I don't know anything, I should explore that first. Okay, so let us see what is going to be this person's next action. Is there going to be any kind of action from this person? Is there going to be any kind of action from this person towards my Libra? Is there going to be any kind of action from this person towards my Libra? Spirit guides are like, this is case done. We had already asked you to talk about the new love, to talk about the prospect of new love. Why did you have to do this shuffle, and why did you have to pull out the card? It seems like it is not going to work out between this person and you. I'm so sorry I'm saying that. But then, sometimes certain things happen, although this is literally the card of heartbreak, but sometimes heartbreaks happen because they are blessing in disguise. Okay. I'm sorry if I'm not being very satisfying reader for you, but I'll have to leave this case and jump into the new one. Okay, so let us see who's going to arrive in your life. The prospect of new love. The prospect of new love for my Libra before the end of August. The prospect of new love for my Libra before the end of August. Ooh, the Magician. You might be welcoming a Gemini who's very, intelligent, who knows how to handle things, situation, people, who's quite sociable, who is, who takes care of each and every relationship, be it with a milkman, be it with, with their mom, dad, be it with their parents, be it with their friends, be it with their colleagues, be it with strangers, whom they meet randomly, in a metro or somewhere. That kind of individual who thinks of long term before speaking any, before letting out any words from their mouth. So someone very intelligent, someone who understands that, positivity attracts positivity, like attracts like, as they say. And someone who would enter your life at such phase when this person would himself or herself be, moving away from toxicity. All right, so they'll arrive in your life during that phase. Yeah, this person will, come towards you looking for something more, expecting, with some expectation, of course, because they have been dissatisfied in the past. This person could very well be someone who is a divorcee, or someone who's, who has, who's still dealing with the divorce case, or maybe just in general someone who is engaged in, the legal world. Could be a Libra. Yeah, and this person would very much, so here's the answer. Prospect of new love arrival is, you can definitely be hopeful of that, because, Ace of Swords is here. You are going to have a very deep oh my god, I was guided to look at the bottom of the deck, and the Sun card is here. So overall energy, whatever this is telling, because Sun card has come as the overall energy, this is talking about no matter what is happening right now. You might be crying while watching this reading right now, because, the very last card for this person who is in your mind, for the outcome of this current connection is, Three of Swords. But, very soon you are going to meet the person of your dream, and you are going to be very happy. You'll be fulfilled. You'll have such new beginning, which will literally like take you out of the darkness, and, you'll all of a sudden start exploring. You'll start to get to know each other. Whoever this person will arrive, Gemini and Libra energies are very prominent. Yes, air energy is very prominent. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is also there, but could be a Leo as well because of Sun card over here. Yeah, but when this person comes, your needs will be totally fulfilled by each other. Both of your needs will be same, and whatever this person has to offer will be the thing that you need the most, and whatever you have to offer will be the exact same thing which they had always been deeply desiring. Okay, and the Sun card and the Ace of Swords, basically a happy new beginning. Happy new beginning. All right. yeah, when this person will arrive in your life, you'll feel like, wow, I've got wings, I can fly now. I feel so liberated. It will be very liberating, okay? You feel like, wow, I am safe, I'm secure. I know the direction, you know, where to move ahead in life next. All the things that, those things, those dreams which you had, which you were not being able to fulfill, alone or single-handedly, will be supported by this person, and you will see yourself, clearing the clutter, I'm hearing. Okay, so basically all the to-do list, all the elements that are in the to-do list, you will check them off one by one, because this person will be so supportive that you will, yeah, this person, whoever is going to enter your life, will be a manifester. So basically this person will manifest everything for himself or herself, as well as for you, Libra. And because this person has that skill, this person will definitely try to, yeah, support you in every way, so that you are also able to manifest all, those dreams and desires of yours. Wow, this is so exciting before August. And okay, so Libra, this is the reading for you. I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Until the time I meet you again, I love you so much.